world, and my economy good not spend. When I reach that Zion gate, then I think, then I'll be there in the middle of the sea. When the ship begun to sink, Captain Selassie, I told it mercy over all. Over all. Let it go, let it go. What is it?
Money pull up. You can't move because you're not going to the bad part of the song. I want to you. The bad part of forward that. Sing again. Yo. Sing again. First time you see you sing a track room, you see you sing pan. Then I tell you, you look like 16. I'm a 5-year-old.
You're not old man, I know. Everything you see there. You want to tell me gambler, and my $1 they could not spend. When I reach a Zion gate, when I sing, then I'll delay in the middle of the sea. When the ship begun to sink, Captain Selassie, I told him mercy over all. Righteousness over all, over all. Captain Selassie, I told him mercy over all, over all, over all. Captain Selassie, I told him mercy over all. And my heart is feeling love, because last year the Savior has given. It spread the blood, but Babylon said, sing what's all the black man and whiter than snow. Cause I am a in this world and cannot go and walk the streets of ice, green and gold. What a wonderful day when the light is what I know seeing away. Yes, sailing on. I like those sailing on, sailing on. I like those sailing on.
Stop. I'm here find the selection. I'm in a down moving now. That brother they go some woman found and the rain. You don't move neither. You know, sugar mine and can rubber the way I play. You have to play the part one and you turn the over. The one you booger mine.
Oh yes, yes.
In the place, bust right now. Watch this. Ricky Joe from Apprentice. Bust it.
Too much oppressors in this town. Too much, too much, too much, too much, too much.
We love Ricky Trooper. Where you find that one, yeah? The last time me hear it, me idea, me knee. You hear me, Icho Candy? Sing!
Well, I know before we start, you have to give me the cowboy echo. Give me a tune.
Trailers full trailers full of sailors. But I got a few hours of pushing through about 8 between 12 and 2. Man, by no means, I'm king of the road. Red box causing every midnight trail, and destination battles fail. Oh, well, now suit and news. I don't pay no union dues, but I put old small kids that I have found. Thank you. What?
Wheel out! Hold on, no trooper, man. Let me say something.
Hold on, man. Yo, you're not getting the history, man. You're not getting the history. People, they use some bad man sound that come from down a jungle. See? Some big box with red round the rim them. And they used to have two big pieces of tube amplifier. See? One sound named Socialist Roads. And them man they used to DJ. DJ, this time I used to DJ for Socialist Roads.
The last time. Please number one champions of the world. International.
Indian Jamaican.
Jamaican. I'm originating the last time. Original, you know? Yeah, man. Big up audio everyone, see? Original DJ, see? Do it! Tell you! Jamaican, originating the lyrics of the different in a girl. Yeah! Tune in to la money. Tune in everyone, yeah. Coming out the money for the rubber dove. Coming out the money for the rubber dove. Coming out the neck to make the rhythm on the tight. Coming out the neck to make you feel so nice. I am Papa Super go Africa. I am Papa Super go Africa. I see the tuba where you burp your pa. You believe it in Jamaica. Mommy say don't find your paper.
Boy, like you want to take you what I found. Come off on the stage, yo, man. Let's stay right there, so don't move, man. People, see that little sister here? Me a play her before she have no song I play. She there as a lineage. So me I say, but tell her say she not go bust and she don't believe me, you know. She big in Europe all over the world. Singing song where you go so boom and me use and kill sound on your boss.
Dancehall Thursday one. Peter Medra, Onion famous. Hey, I'm in say, all original sound man in our foundation. Yeah, hear me? Sit here. Rasta only surrender to the sound system. Positive vibration is a bring and break. Now hear me? The sound system. Banana. Look at you, man, pick up yourself every time. One of my teacher. Peter Medra, Onion famous. Yeah, hear me? Second anniversary. Sit here. You want a good system, build a stone. Peter make your sound and make the place get around. Squeeze a couple lineage or then it's brown. And in other ear squeeze off a couple pounds. Music on the weapon of choice. Cricket trooper sound make the whole place rejoice. Dumb hard time take a winner your slice. We not sure mama winner your mother winner your time. But some a day. One time for the general, make it super. Real foundation.
No move. Me a turn it up on a ramp with this something, you know. Sing more vibes and action. Come on, DJ road, you know. When this play a murder, what you write, we are going to play that. Me play Al Campbell, Jacob.
Baddest woman up DJ female, Sierra. She ride the whole rhythm them lines. What? Pull it up the tube, I'm going to do a little quick thing. Yo, you see before I go into the part 2, I know this is a surprise for you. On the half of Dancehall Thursday, we present this award to you. Sister Azza lineage, we know you never know say you get award. You are the baddest female that can rubber dub all rhythm. You control the whole and the new. Enough respect, my sister. Present this one to you. What a clap harder, man! Ladies and gentlemen, I will now left out the one and only Mr. Icho Candy. Icho Candy, come in, my brother. Come in, my brother. From Jack Ruby time till now, you think you could have come here and we're not gonna... Hey, what's the man? We present this token to you, my brethren, Icho Candy. Enough respect from them time till now. See? Icho Candy, original. Take a picture with me and him. Yo, alright, big up yourself, Icho.
You think of me as a lineage can sing? Nibby bam.
Original Dancehall Thursday. If you're proud of where you come from, say lighter. If you're proud of the platform, you say lighter. Lineage from in a place. Major Mackerel. You think we're making the rhythm you left with? You're crazy. Hey! Tell me where I'm from. Kingston City, no for call it slum. Enough people now knowing come. Even like no food when night. Right, I know me, I'm gonna tell you which part me come from. Said the days them shot. Night them along. True for a listen for the next bang bang. We go make them take a dollar. We go make concern. Rain and fall, we are cuddle up. Playing on me ear. 4 seasons love and you the right through the year. This a love will never stop, never changing here. Union safe, there's nothing to fear. Loving it a bubble up the atmosphere. Rubber dub until the sheets spread here. Never had it like this, Lord have mercy, me swear. Your loving I will, hey. You hear my love, my man, me call him. This a goodie goodie. Me a get you in my shooby. Me a get you in my shooby. Tonight we a go work it. And me a call him Mr. Goody Goody. Me a get you, Peter, make sure you give thanks, and that was my very first award. Dancehall Thursday, make some nice for yourself. Bring it through.
Now pull your pen, cause people, I want to go agree with and whatever things I want, but I have a DJ, if short him not tall, little boy come bust the dancehall. So little boy come bust the dancehall. Big lecturer, you know, supposed to dancehall.
Easy. I see we do it, man. You know, righteous, don't worry yourself in the doggy. I'm mercy. People licking on the party. You know, you send a letter to my baby. I send one from my mommy. Tell her that me coming home. Cause me have plenty money. Come again now. Me just write me letter me and go. Write me letter. Write me letter me and go. Write me letter me right. Dear mommy. Say housekeeping. Come again now, man. And we alone call them thing, you know. Yeah, man.